Some central air conditioners at a hotel. This one looks like a York. What motor is that? That's an Emerson. It's got 5 fan blades. Yeah, these look old. Yep, these are York. Let's see, this one's from... Let's see, where's the serial? This one's from 1996. And it is a... Let's see... 5-ton it looks like. Makes sense because it has 5 fan blades. Yeah, pretty nice unit. It's got a low pressure switch and a high pressure switch. Or no, it has a low ambient kit. I guess these are straight cools. Compressor and all the guts are back there. Let's see, there's another one. Yeah, there's 2 more over here. York. Air conditioning system. High efficiency. And something's hissing. Oh, it's one of the P-Tacs. New York. Let me guess. Let's see. No, these are from 1986, it looks like. Looks like they used to have brown paint on the coils, but it all disintegrated. Yeah, these are 5 tons. Good units, though. Here's another one. I'm not gonna bother getting the date off this one. That's a really bad hack job. Look at that. The wires aren't even sticking out of the grill. I could imagine how bad this thing runs. Yeah, it's definitely a replacement motor, alright. 5-ton from 86. Is this one from 86? Or are they from different dates? I can't tell the date. Unless they're from 1992. I'm just gonna guess they're all from 1992. Look at this. It's just bad. Alrighty. So there's... one of the P-Tacs is running heat mode. Seems like that one or that one. There's another one running. There's one over there. And there's 3 more big industrial units. There's a new one over there, it looks like. A newer one. Looks like a Duquesne. Let's see, what are you? Yeah, this is Duquesne. Copeland recip. This looks similar to the one that Will's Vlogs got a video of starting up yesterday. Let's see. It's cold out right now. This thing is a 3-ton from 2007, so this one's old but new. Yeah, sorry for the shakiness. It's really, really cold out. It's in the 40s. Look at this. This is also a hack job. Look at this. Freaking. Look at this. It's so sloppy. Alright, there's 3 more units around over here. Hang on. Yeah, I'd call this a mini air conditioner heaven. Yeah, these ones are big. It's a transformer. I guess these are York too. Oh, they're big package units. I can't reach to see what they look like from the top. I wonder if I can find a... Oh, here it is. Right next to the thing. See, model 79,000 BTUs. And this is not an 09, this is a 96. Oh, look at that, that's odd. Never seen that before. Alright. And I guess that's what they look like. This one I can see. Yeah, look at that. Never seen units like these before. This one looks like it has the original fan blade. That one looks like it has a new one. The garage door just closed. This one's from 94. I really can't tell the dates. I'm gonna guess they're all from 96. And that Goodman product is, or that Nordine whatever product is, from 04. Yeah, pretty big package units. These are on a hill, it looks like. Alrighty. Looks like also over and out.